Hello, everyone. I'm Kevin. Welcome to Austin. We are deep-rooted in Sydney market, processing stone enterprise focusing on whole house customization. We mainly help customers select the most advantageous stone slabs from all dealers, different slabs of stone, and then for their kitchens to match the stone in the interior design for each home improvement project, from countertops, background walls. We will match the style according to the space features. We can match a completely different style.
We have a modern processing factory and a perfect supply chain system, ensuring that every stone from purchasing, cutting, installation, and delivery, we strive for quality.
Not only for home, we also provide plate matching and overall design services. Whether it's around cafe or office space, we can create a unique style.
Whether it's building a dream home or upgrading commercial spaces, AUSKstone is always your reliable stone expert. Welcome your arrival. Experience our exhibition hall and professional services. Let's start a journey of space and texture.